Welcome. If you want to keep your Telegram group management private, you're in the right place. Today, you'll learn how to create a new anonymous group admin on Telegram using the latest features as of 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, head to the group where you want to add an anonymous admin. Tap on the group name at the top of the chat screen. This will bring up the group's information page, where you can see details about the group and its members. Next, look for the Edit option, usually represented by a pencil icon, and tap it. In the Editing menu, find and select Administrators. Here, you'll see a list of all current admins in your group. To add a new one, tap Add Admin. Now choose the member you want to promote to admin from the list of group members. After selecting the person, you'll see a screen where you can customize their admin rights. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Remain Anonymous. Toggle this switch on. When this setting is enabled, the new admin's messages and actions will appear under the group's name and photo, not their personal profile. This keeps their identity hidden from other members, making them an invisible force behind the scenes. Once you've set the permissions and turned on Remain Anonymous, don't forget to save your changes. Tap the checkmark or Save button, depending on your device, to confirm. That's it. You've just created a new anonymous group admin on Telegram. This feature is perfect for large communities or anyone who wants to manage a group without drawing attention to themselves. With anonymous admins, your group stays organized and secure, while your privacy remains protected. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with other Telegram users. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new level of privacy and control on Telegram.